welcome to the Minecraft Family channel. Today I have another unboxing. It's from my favorite store on Alibaba, and it's this mermaid sitting on a stone enjoying the sunset, I think, or whatever she's doing. It is a 75 times 75 centimeters round, and it's a full drill. So just wanted to get into it somewhere because I didn't take my scissors, because normally it's quite easy to open. But today it isn't. Am I? I'm just fighting along here. So otherwise I need to go over and get some scissors. No. Here it came. Open. So we are having the most wonderful weather at the moment. It's cold still, but it's sunny and very, very nice outside. But it's still freezing at night here in Denmark, so we can't really go way overboard in summer flowers and potting and so on, so we need to wait a bit, but I think it's okay. So as you could see, the box was a bit squashed here, but I know why. If you can see in here, this is where it was squashed, and this is where the painting goes to. So this is one of the Eco canvases. It's not the soft lint which comes folded. It's an Eco canvas, which is also a really good, nice one. Yeah, a boat, a standard one. Would be a bit small to work with when you have such a large painting, but anyway. Here we have the painting. It looks really good. And as you can see, oh, that looks really good. Lots of colors. 52 colors. Oh my god. Look at that. There's 53 because there's also an extra. So here they are. Oh, they look good. Oh, and they come in a long long chain. Let's see if it's unbroken. And the really weird thing about this one is the Eco canvases, they come with DMC, and the other ones, which are the short lens ones, don't come with DMC, and it's the same producer, but I don't know. Don't ask. Let's not get into that. So let's try and start. There's some blue ones already, I can see, which has hopped into the other ones, but I was just thinking, because they're not in order, but let's see. So this is the first color. So look at those beautiful yellows. I'm just going to run them through. Well, if I can, because it's such a long chain down. So here, and some brownie, and some beige ones, and another brown one. So here we have the first 5 colors in this one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. And then the next one is a beige one, I think, I would guess. No, 38, 53. I'm just looking at them. 38, 53. Oh, it's the 3865. That's the white one, isn't it? Why do I want that to be white? Sorry. 3865. No, not that one. I'm looking and looking and looking. No, it's down here though. So all the colors 3865, 938, 3823. So that's the one that I should be looking on. And that's here. So that's why. That's the base color. Again, some other base colors. Some yellows and browns. And I think, is that the black? That's the black pattern, yeah. And the orange. And the brown. And a brownish one again. So 3871. So we are where? Here. So I need the 9. That's here. Again, different colors. They look really, really good. Those packages. And the diamonds look really good. So that was 3853. Here, so 921 is here. So here we have some more colors, some greens, some different grays, and some reds, and some blues, and some greens, and some other greens, and some purples, and blues, and red. And so now we are at the 920, so we are color 35. And we need the color 644. And this is the 644. There we have it. And again, there's no inventory sheet with it, so I don't know if I have every diamond, but I choose to believe that I have them all. So 3850. And then I need the 933. And I can see I've got 2 special colors and a gem as well. So here we have the 938. And here we have Aurora Borealis. Again, Aurora Borealis. And finally, some special gems for her, and it's sitting in her head here, or in her hair, and she's got some stars down here, and she's sitting here. I'm just going to look at her and the Diophion. She looks really good, doesn't she? She's going to look amazing from a distance. I don't know if I like her bare chest, but okay. Perhaps you could, yeah, do something, but I don't know. Just one piece, which is going to be quite fun to do. I like the colors in it, and I think it's really clear. You can see here, and what I really like about this company as well is the way that they end the paintings. If you see here, let's see if we can zoom. Can you see here? They lay the glue inside the painting, so they stop the glue before the painting stops. So when you cut, they are about 1 millimeter. Yeah, probably 3 millimeters. One diamond away from the edge. And that's the center of it, so it's probably, yeah, 1 millimeter or 2 that you have in an edge all the way around, which isn't glued, so that's really nice. They do that all the way around. Perhaps it's more easy to see up here what they do. So there's no glue here. So perfect ending of these canvases. As you can see, no creases. It already lays perfectly flat when you lay or fold her down. So one really nice canvas and one really nice piece, which is going to be fun to work at. Clear drilling area. I can see it without a light pad. I think you can see it as well. Here we have you have 53 different, as I said, and you can see they are quite good at using symbols which are really clear, easy to read, and I don't really have any issues with them. Up here you have them. And what I really like is that they don't use, if they use training wheels, they are smaller than the drilling area. So you are able to put them and cover up these circles and so on. So yeah, beautiful canvas, beautiful drills. Let's just see if we can find these ABs again. You can really see them shining here. Yeah. And they are of really good quality. I'm just trying to see if I can isolate one of those. As you can see, they are covered all the way around. Some companies just cover the top bit of it. These ones are covered all the way around. So excellent quality. All the drills, as you can see, are 26 cut drills, so they sparkle a lot. I don't know if I can catch it at the moment, the sunlight, but they sparkle a lot in the sunlight. So you can see over here. Let's try and go over and look at our, he's hanging here at the moment. I don't know what to do with him still. He belongs in a kid's room, but mine are too big. But I really love him. And then I have ordered the one with the sunflowers as well, just because I could. Don't start on me. Love them. But anyway, some like Diamond Art Club. I like Chinese inspired work, apparently. So talk to you soon. Hey, and you see what I've started? I don't know if you can see it. It's just started. So just planted the first plant. So we're going to have an aquarium. So I need to have some fishes in it soon, so we can have, I can have a break fish for you. So when I go to a break, you can just watch some fishes. Don't you think that's a good idea? Or the dog and the cat fighting? Don't know. So anyway, yeah, and oh, another thing. Look, I have decorated. You can't even see it because of all that lighting. So here, this is a Danish tradition. We always seem to put eggs up everywhere when we hit Easter. So yeah, let's put eggs up. But anyway, these are collectible Easter eggs that we put up. But I don't know even if you can see how they look. You can't. Perhaps this one? No. Let's go over the other side so you can see. And here is the big cat. He's been laying in the sun. He wants the meat. And here we have the dog. So you can see them fight. No, good friends. But here, I think you can see them. Yeah, that's much better. Sorry. So here they are. Aren't they beautiful? So all our spring flowers. It's from a company called Royal Copenhagen, and they take all Danish birds and flowers and so on, and then put them onto Easter eggs. It's all our spring flowers. So here you got some of them. And birds coming. And yeah. So yeah. On this note, and with some animal loving, yeah. Talk to you soon and see you in my next video. I hope to be able to make a live tomorrow. I will try tomorrow early morning if I can. It's probably going to be, I don't know what time, American time. But I will see if I can do one just to try it out, because I have bought a camera for my computer, but let's see if it works. I haven't used it for a long time, so perhaps we should go over here so you can see them. This is every day, every single day that they play like that. So until the cat gets really, really annoyed with them and then starts using his claws, and then the dog gives up. So you can see now. Because it may seem that our Jack Russell is a bit hard on him, but he isn't too hard. So now you can see his tail that he's getting annoyed, and so can the dog. So I think it's going to be stopped for now, because otherwise he knows that he's going to be eaten by the cat. So he's going outside and the cat won. Isn't that fun? So yeah, see you in my next video. There were so many things that I could just show you. So, but see you in my next video. Talk to you soon, and happy diamond painting. Bye for now.